Hey guys, welcome to the Capstone class. I'm Instructor Phillipson and I will be leading you on this journey. I wanted to mention that this course is a little bit different than previous courses that you've taken. So there are resources provided each week to help you with the content. Each week there will also be an activity. So it may be a case study, it may be a discussion, it may be an exam. But in your discussions and your case studies, I'm really looking for deep analysis, thoughtful reflection. I'm looking for you to show mastery of everything that you've learned throughout your program thus far. So make sure that you're pulling in outside reading. You can use resources from your other classes. That's fantastic. But really show thoughtful analysis and present information from a leadership perspective. That's what I'm looking for. If you have questions about that, please let me know. I look forward to a great term with you.